You made an interesting point about next steps like retrofitting devices so that you can collect data. But one of the factors that is there in India is the cost sensitivity. A lot of international manufacturers, when they actually use models over here, they don't even follow the stage one level in terms of safety or the emission quality. Do you think that it is feasible for them to add retrofit and add IoT sensors onto the data, onto the cars and collect data? Is that something that you think is practical in the next few years?
So if I hear your question, you are saying, is it possible to feed these sensors into the cars which already exist?
It's more around the cost angle of it. If you can actually do
Okay.
it, but it's more on the cost angle. Will it be feasible for companies to do it, get the profit, and get a market for it?
Okay. So maybe you can.
Yeah, retrofitting definitely involves a lot of cost. So it's not going to be easy. You're right. You need to measure the cost effectiveness of trying to fit in sensors into the older cars. So I don't really think you're going to have, uh, a large scale replacement of existing parts with, with sensors. What you're likely to have is, newer devices, onboard TCUs, as they're called, that are going to come in that will capture data. And some of them are quite capable of, figuring out, for example, if you're looking at the gear wheel, and there is a signature analysis that can be done on the gear wheel. Based on the signature analysis, you can figure out how old the gear wheel is, how close it is to requiring replacement, how worn out it is, and so on. So you will be able to carry out some of this. The cost of this may not be very high as replacing the entire thing, but it's not going to be pretty low either.
I think we are done with the question and answers now. Anyone else? This is going to be the last one.
Hi, my question is, what do you think about